Hey, Mark.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
The question I have, I'm not really sure how to answer the question, but I'll start by I'm middle aged at this point, and I have 3 kids. I'm married, stay home at wife, and I don't have a living will or anything of that nature. What's the process of doing or getting something of that nature? And is it something I should get at this point in life?
All right. Do you have minor children?
No, they're teenagers and one early 20.
Okay. So, yeah, everybody needs an estate plan. And basically, if you had a plan that left it to your children, you could govern what age they get it, the asset. So,
Okay.
if you create a living trust, you name a successor trustee, you put in there you want 3 equal shares to your 3 children. A lot of times people will choose they don't really get it till they're 21 or 25, or maybe sometimes even later. But prior to that age that you pick, the trustee can pay directly for maintenance, education, medical expenses, things like that. So, I've heard many times kids don't have any financial brains until they're at least 25 for the most part. So you don't want to give them money outright they're going to blow or waste on their friends and then not have anything to show for what you worked so hard to accumulate all these years, and that you wanted to leave it in a way to them to be helpful to them as opposed to letting them waste it too early. So a living trust does that. Also, if there are special things you're concerned about in the trust, they can deal with that. Like some families have addictions to deal with. Some people have spendthrifts, some people have evil in-laws, some people have special needs children. All of those things can be dealt with in an estate plan properly.
Okay. And is that? I'm not quite sure how to approach it or get it started.
Well, mostly you would choose an attorney to go to. Sit down, attorney will ask you questions, and perhaps make a draft document for you to review. That's the way that we would deal with it. So, for example, if you came to our office in Lakewood Ranch, we would kind of interview, ask you some questions, and then prepare some documents to mail to you for review. You would discuss with the attorney all the issues of things you'd like to do, and then would implement an estate plan for you and send you a draft copy.
Excellent. So can I just call your office and make an appointment and go from there?
Yeah. Now, if you wanted to see our attorney in Lakewood Ranch, that would be Attorney Dennis Moses. If you wanted to see me, you would come up to Sun City Center, which is not too far, but either one would be fine. So you could call the toll-free number, 1-800-226-3529. Go to extension 200. Young lady that answers the phone there runs the calendar and can make the connections with other attorneys if need be.
Excellent. Well, I thank you for your time, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you so much for calling.
Okay, have a good day.
All right, you too.